Okay, here's my 8-foot ladder, and I was barely able to push it back far enough so I could still open up this door in case somebody needs to go out into the garage, Mommy needs to get out and get the car or whatever. And we're gonna just check this out a little bit. I think I'm gonna come up this way. Now see, over here there's a light because there happens to be a light switch right here. And the reason why there's a light switch here and not over on the other side, I mean, they had to put one over here, and I believe that's by code. What's not by code is they should put a cover plate on there, and I'll have to remember to get one. And see, they've got a light up in there. There's a little electrical outlet right there. And they had to put an electrical outlet because, see, there's a heater up above here, up above the garage, and it comes on over this way, and that heats up half the house. The other heaters are not above the attic area. Those are downstairs, and they're in a utility room downstairs. And a lot of times they'll put heaters up in the attics nowadays. I wish they wouldn't have put that plug right there, because then the cord goes across there. They could have done that slightly different, but you know, I guess the inspector was okay with that. And anytime you have a unit up in the attic, you've got to have a little platform. And so there's a platform, you know, with plywood, so that if somebody needed to service that, they can walk up here and get to it fairly easily. They've got the light here and all that. So anytime you go up one of your crawl holes like this, look around for a light switch, and it should be fairly close to where you can get to it. And son of a gun, there it is. Okay. And when I look across over this way, see, there's that big return air that goes over just outside the kitchen area. And I've got my flashlight here. I'm going to shine it over that way. You see that metal pipe way over there going up through there? That's, let's see if I can't, yeah, you can see it now. See it? That's the fireplace. And so we're off to the left just a little bit, right in through there, and I can step right in between where those scissor joists are, those trusses, and kind of step in there. I don't have as much headroom right in here, but then it goes out bigger, and I can kind of meander my way on over that way, I believe, and see where all that insulation is piled up way back in there is where I need to go. And that's not as far as the other side, and I can probably get there with just having this other light on without my flashlight, you know, and get back in there. More than likely I'll take my flashlight too. I've got to get my saw in there, and if I can't get everything with my battery operated skill saw, I have to use my my Sawzall, and I've got an electric style Sawzall too. And I might need to take my drill if I can't get my saw in there, and get my drill in there, you know, with some paddle bits, a drill bit where I can drill a hole wide enough to get my Sawzall in there, you know what I mean? And you see, that's where we're at over there. So get yourself acclimated, going from here to there instead of from there all the way down. Granted, I still got my construction light up there. I could plug it in from that side, which I think I'll do because that light is right over there. When I get everything done, obviously I have to rearrange all the insulation and all that kind of stuff as it goes on through over there and that kind of thing. Okay, because here's where the other crawl hole is, and I'll have to rearrange the insulation. And see, I've got my IKEA bag here for all my tools that I'm going to need to get to. Okay, so I'll be back. Hey, where did the snowboard go? Kind of like those gloves with the zip.
How it had to, see, look at my your boots, you have to make
Good
sure
Lord.
that you're in them, because the insert is the soft part. You have to get that in there, and then you have to tighten it.
Oh, brother.
Putting
Okay.
it into here.
And I'll bet you nowadays, when did you get those boots? Probably
Oh God.
8 years ago, 9 years ago?
These are old. Yeah, these are like.
Yeah, nowadays they probably have stuff where you just strap it over, right?
Yeah, probably.
Probably.
Probably. These are all my stuff.
She wanted to make sure. Oh, here, make it tighter because that's loose. She wanted to make.
You want some.
She wanted to make sure everything fit. Of course, it's going to fit, but she's going to strap herself in there and all that. Have fun with that, baby.
Thank you.
Okay, she wanted me to see how well she walked in here and with these boots. Go ahead.
They walk really easy.
Wow, nice.
They're like tennis shoes. If you had a ski boot would be so hard.
Yes.
When you hit the ground, it would be click, click, click.
Yes,
this is like a, it's like a tennis shoe.
Yeah, nice. You look very comfy in that. Okay, rock on.